Up next, the question stained in our brains is, what post-use paint products does SARCAN actually accept?
Well, we have the answers today with reports saying that SARCAN accepts a large list of paint products, including household paints and stains, primers, deck and floor coatings, varnish, finishing oils, shellacs, sealers, and even empty paint cans.
SARCAN keeps these pesky paint products out of our landfills so you can shellax and trust that your products will finish up in the correct place. Products of prime quality and quantity are selected for reuse and placed back onto SARCAN paint shelves where customers can take them for free for at-home paint projects.
If the product is not selected for reuse, it finds second life as concrete additive.
A paint product through the doors of a SARCAN depot means one less coating our landfills or sealing your storage. So you can rest easy knowing your varnish has vanished into SARCAN's resource recovering recycling system.